So the power comes up this line from the windmills, which generate the power, and it goes into this substation. And inside this substation there's a pair of breakers, one for each line, and it feeds a transformer. You can just see the conservator on top of the transformer there, and that brings it up to 115,000 volts, and then it goes through this breaker and this switch. And here's the control house for that substation. When it crosses the line here, it goes from being the generation, under generation jurisdiction, to the power company through this switch and into this substation where there's a ring bus and a series of breakers, and the power can be sent in either direction or both directions up onto these lines. And over here is a synchronous condenser to help give it momentum.